Many people wonder about AI. They ask, is AI too hard for me? Do I need to be a tech expert? Must I learn to write computer code? These are common questions. But there is good news. You can start today. The answer is a big yes. You can use AI. You do not need coding skills. You do not need a tech degree. AI is becoming easier. It is for everyone now. Think of it like a new tool. A tool anyone can learn. Imagine learning to drive a car. You do not need to be a mechanic. You just learn the rules. The most important thing is not the tool, it is your mindset. How you approach AI matters most. Think strategy, not software. What does this mean? It means focusing on what you want. What task do you want to make easier? What problem do you want to solve? Start with your goal. Do not start by learning a complex tool. First, know your why. Why do you want to use AI? This clarity is powerful. Your strategy is your game plan. The AI tool just helps you play. Your strategy leads the way. Think about your day. What tasks do you do often? What things feel like a repeat? These are your loops. A loop is a task done over and over, like writing similar emails, or making a weekly shopping list. AI is very good at handling loops. It loves repetitive work. Let's find some loops. Do you answer the same customer questions? That is a loop. Do you summarize notes from meetings? That is a loop. Look for patterns in your work. These patterns are opportunities for AI. Finding these loops is the first step. Section 4. Talking to AI, your simple words are the key. How do you tell AI what to do? Do you need special computer words? No, you do not. You talk to AI like you talk to a person. Use clear, simple language. Your everyday words are perfect. This is how modern AI works. It understands human language. Think about giving instructions. If you ask a friend for help, you are clear. You say, please help me write an email. The email is to thank a client. Her name is Miss Smith. She liked our fast delivery. You give details in plain English. Do the same with AI. Be specific and clear. The AI will understand better. Section 5. AI as your first drafter, saving your precious energy. Think about tasks that drain you. Maybe it is starting a new report or writing that first email. The blank page can be scary. It takes a lot of mental energy. This is where AI can shine. Use AI to create the first draft. It can get you started. It breaks the inertia. This saves your best energy for later. AI can be your idea generator. Suppose you need blog post ideas. You can ask AI, give me 10 ideas for blog posts about gardening for beginners. It will give you a list. Not all ideas will be perfect, but some might spark something. Section 6. Small steps, big changes. Your AI journey starts now. How do you begin using AI? The answer is simple. Start small. Do not try to do everything at once. Pick one tiny task, just one. Maybe it is asking AI for a recipe, or to summarize a short article, or to write a social media post. Choose something easy and low risk. This is your first small win. Each small win builds confidence. It shows you that AI can help. It shows you that you can use it. After your first success, pick another small task. Slowly you will find more uses. So how does this tie into money? Simple. The smartest way to use AI is to buy back your time. Time you can now spend starting a side hustle, growing your freelance work, building content or a digital product. The better your strategy, the more profitable your AI becomes. Welcome to CashGPT. Like and subscribe for more AI and finance content.